Put Vaseline in the sink. You will never want to use it the old way again. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing an amazing cleaning trick using just Vaseline that will make your sink and faucets shine like never before. Plus, it will prevent water stains from building up. You'll love it. Let's dive right in. Wash your sink and faucets as you normally would. Scrub well with water. Then dry everything completely using a clean cloth. Take 1 teaspoon of Vaseline and spread it evenly over the sink and faucets. Use a piece of toilet paper to gently buff the Vaseline into the surface. Now, your sink and faucets will be super shiny and polished. Water resistant. No more stubborn water stains. Easy to clean. Water droplets will slide right off. I'd love to hear from you. From 0 to 10, what rating would you give this hack? Drop your score in the comments below and tell me which country you're watching from. If you found this trick helpful, share this video with your friends so they can enjoy a sparkling bathroom too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing home hacks. See you next time, friends. Stay safe and God bless.